Alright ladies, can you tell me what you liked most about the active table?
I really liked how you could see what each student did in a group on this timeline. When we did the timeline, how you could see what each student had input into.
I think that was my favorite part. As a teacher, it's really hard when you do group work and the students are working with textbooks and paper. You always get those complaints of, oh, I did all the work and they did nothing. My favorite part was that end teacher report where it actually showed the heat signatures of where the kids touched. You knew what parts they were interacting with, and you also got a breakdown in percentage of what each child inputted into that activity. I also like that it's completely accessible for students.
Very easy to use, too. Very user-friendly.
Very user-friendly, and students that are in wheelchairs or have any physical disabilities can sit easily at that table and access it. I really enjoyed that part of it as well.
A lot of different options on it as well. The puzzle was really cool to work through it and to see it switch. And
we were a bit slow at it though.
but it was a great tool. There's a lot of exciting things I think kids would really be happy to work with it, and I think for a teacher as a tool to get them motivated, it offers a lot.
I've always found single touch has always been an issue with those sort of boards. Having multiple touches at the same time was phenomenal. It changes everything. It really does. It allows you to have 6 children on at the same time doing something without any sort of restriction.
So how could you see this fitting into your classroom?
I would love to bring it into my grade 8 classroom. I think we'd have a great time with it.
As a principal, I could see it in any classroom. I think that all kids of all ages would be excited about it and see it as technology that, even the tie, how you could just take a picture and put it into Google search to find the information right away. There's so many great uses for it.
It does stretch from kindergarten, your junior kindergarten, all the way through. I can see uses in grade 12, college. It would be great. When we were on there, I was thinking geography, history, science for intermediate students. What a great tool to get them to sit down and actually work as a group and finish whatever project you've assigned.